Ready to take your taco game up a notch? Then let's talk carne asada. Carne asada, the ultimate steak taco. A skirt steak, marinated, and an array of spices, citrus juice. I celebrate Taco Tuesday. Anytime's a great time to eat carne asada, so let's go. Juice the orange. I'm gonna take this orange, we're gonna juice it right into my measuring cup. Just make sure you get all that juice. So I'm gonna cut the limes open. Let's just juice our limes here. Squeeze all the juice out of this, honey. You want all the juice. Okay, got your lime juice. Now we're gonna make our spice rub. Teaspoon of cumin. Cumin's cousin, coriander. Go a teaspoon of that as well. Do a teaspoon of the chili powder, teaspoon of oregano, teaspoon black pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. So we got our spices, our spice blend right there. All right, so I'm just gonna mix this up, just give it a nice little swirl. I'll use a spoon. All right. I have my orange juice. I'm just gonna add my lime juice, spice mix. So look at this marinade, all the spices, herbs, everything, just soaking it up. Then I'm just gonna pour this on the beef. Make sure it gets covered. Guys, that's our carne asada marinade. So we're gonna let that marinate overnight. Soft, really great. Saute these. But I do want them to be soft, very soft and almost very sweet and caramelized. All right, so I'm gonna cook this beautiful skirt steak. I'm just gonna let it sit, cook it like looking good. 2 minutes each side. I like mine a little bit more on the medium rare side. And once you take it off, it'll still cook. So we let our beef rest for a little bit. Let's get a beef on the cutting board here. Now, skirt steak, you want to go against the grain. Hey, look how beautiful that looks. Look at this carne asada. Fantastic. Radish, cilantro, some cabbage, nice crunch, avocado going. Just pour a little bit of our homemade salsa. Give ourselves a little sour cream line. Let's get a little cheese, a little queso. Beautiful little carne asada tacos. These are some loaded tacos, guys. I have a side of pickles. I have my margarita. Sometimes we lose sight of what we have in our fridge and we need to take inventory, and we just need to get creative and need to have fun. And that's the beauty of cooking, being able to take a lot of things that you would have just tossed away and thrown away and put it together and make a beautiful meal. And right now we have these carne asada tacos that are brilliant. I can't wait to dig into them. I have this margarita, some house-made Mexican-style pickles. Like, for me, you can't beat this, guys. So, look, thank you for joining me. I really appreciate you joining me in my kitchen and going on this food adventure with me. If you like what you saw, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and hit me up in the comments and tell me how you like to eat your carne asada tacos or what kind of tacos you like, and maybe I'll make them next time. So, if you remember one thing, make sure to feed your soul. Ciao.